there is a role for doubters. People should question things, and it shouldn't be taken as a given that things are going to work, because often things do not work. But I think if you look at someone's track record or company's track record and what progress has been made, it's reasonable to extrapolate into what they would do in the future. And I've done a few things in my background that I think are pretty tricky. We started SpaceX from scratch. Now it is the world's leading launch company, recently exceeding Russia, China, and Boeing and Lockheed combined. First of all, let's preface this by saying, what I would ask is that this is a difficult thing that we're doing. It's a hard thing. It's a new thing, and I'd hope that you cheer us on for this. Because if we succeed, it's going to be a great thing for the city, and if we fail, well, I guess me and others will lose a bunch of money. Chicago is giving us the opportunity to show that it can be useful and economically viable on a large scale. We have a test tunnel that we are digging in Los Angeles, and we expect to complete that test tunnel within a few months. The mayor's office has visited that test tunnel and seen our equipment and designs, but that test tunnel will be too short to be useful, whereas this one will be long enough to be useful and go from one place to another that people use a lot. So one of the hardest things to do with any new technology is not to demonstrate that technology and show that it works, but to show people that it can be indeed useful. It's one of the hardest things in the world to make something useful, where the revenue exceeds the costs of the thing that was done. This is an astoundingly difficult and underappreciated thing, and that is what we intend to do here in Chicago.